How to fix 5 common paint problems yourself. Have you just finished painting your apartment, or just your room or your kitchen, as you have probably not done a painting job all by yourself before? Or have you just had a little experience with it? Has it been a very challenging experience for you to do this? You have put your time, effort, and sweat into doing this difficult job to the best, then step back to admire yourself for your excellent work and suddenly notice that there remain drips, brush marks, and stains. How disappointing. What will you do when you face a painting mistake? Not to worry. Everyone makes mistakes, even the best painters sometimes experience these mistakes during and after painting. So you don't have to chin down about this, instead, you should get started to find the solution to it. Of course, it would be best if you did the right thing to get rid of such mistakes. Read more, https://paintingincolour.ie/how to fix 5 common paint problems yourself/